Here's a new 2019 Toyota Avalon. Elegance on the outside, intelligence on the inside. This sedan will captivate both passers-by and passengers. It comes with all the amenities you need. Bluetooth streaming audio, smartphone wireless charging, dual zone climate control, smart key, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection muses this is a cabin that feels extremely roomy and is far more modern and luxurious than the previous Avalon, with top-notch materials, thoughtful details, and comfortable seats. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Put your mind at ease when you purchase a new, used, or certified pre-owned vehicle from Eastern Shore Toyota. Call, click, or stop in today. We're located at 29732 Frederick Boulevard in Daphne.